Guys, look, I came out and this branch broke off. I could have just take it off and do whatever, but I want to share it with you because I want to actually try it with you to see if I can save it. See, it has tomatoes on it, lots of blooms. Things like this do happen. So I'm just going to take it off altogether. I'm going to stuck it somewhere. Let me stuck it right here and see what becomes of it.
Welcome back to my garden. I must acknowledge all of you, my new subscribers, new supporters, new gardening family. Thank you so much. A big welcome to all of you. I appreciate you and God bless you. Big up also to all of you, my faithful supporters and my gardening family. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, everyone. So, guys, let's get rid of the elephant in the garden. Guys, I'm gonna drape me up so. Oh my word, the coconut tree.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
Y'all been scolding me.
Some of you were quite protective though of me in the sense that you made no mention of it in the comments. But so many of you WhatsApp me, Instagram me, TikTok me, email me. You were like, girl, no way. All right, guys. So initially, I wanted a palm tree because I wanted a tropical look, a tropical feel. When I was purchasing the trees, Katie had told me that she had coconut tree. So I said, you know what? Let me get the coconut tree. And then this would be an experiment as well because I am putting it in the 5 gallon bucket. So I was, no, that's fine because I'm just gonna use it for beautification really and get that feel in my garden because you just wanna have that feel there. But you guys were not having it. You weren't up to the experiment with me at all. Like I said, some persons WhatsApp me, Instagram me, TikTok me, email me. But the one that stood out the most was an email that I got from this particular person. You know yourself. So the person said, listen to me, Stacey, I've known you for years on YouTube when you had your previous channel and you always do experiments. And believe you me, I was amazed by a lot of things that you experiment on and they actually work. But I will not be experimenting this with you. So you need to do something about it. And the person was like, I need to see those coconut. I need to see the coconut tree produce. I don't know what to tell you to do, but I'm sure you already know. So I decided, you know what? Let me do the right thing. Because this person was not having it, like so many of you. I know what's happened. So many of you did not say a word to me. I know for sure some persons must have been laughing at me like crazy, saying, oh, what a girl I do, man. What is she doing? But guys, like I said, I wasn't expecting much from it in that 5 gallon container. I just wanted it in my garden. You get me? So I actually went ahead, made a phone call, and I got a half a barrel. Yay! So I'm going to put it in the half a barrel. So there's 95% chance that it will actually produce in that. So I'm waiting on the soil. Well, initially, I didn't want to get the half a barrel because I don't really have the space. And I sent back an email to the person. I would need an half a barrel and I don't have the space. And the person emailed me back and said, Stacey, trust me, you got this. I believe in you. Why you did that to me? And so I said, all right, I'm going to move the table. I don't know where I'm going to put it as yet. And then I could get to put the alpha barrel up there. I am amazed how supportive you guys are. It is just beyond me. Your love and your support, it is felt. To God be the glory. I thank Him for you guys. Some persons who have never yet commented, they actually commented and it feels so good. Guys, I love when you interact with me now. Please keep the interaction going. All right, I sincerely appreciate it. And the fact that you took the time out to sit and watch my videos. Oh, I am so appreciative of you guys. God bless you and your family as well. Thank you so much. As I spoke about, persons commenting for the first time, there's this one person on Neil. He actually said it. He said, "This is my first time commenting." And he said to me, you could get a crocus bag and put in the bucket to make it easy. That's my liquid fertilizer bucket. He was saying that I could put the kitchen scraps inside the crocus bag and make my life easier. And I was so amazed. I was like, why didn't I think about that? So you see, guys, we need each other. I thought about getting an onion bag and a garlic bag. So I would have to go to maybe a wholesale or a supermarket and ask them for one. And I already have the crocus bags there. So I said, you know what? Why not just use the crocus bag instead? Because that's a good idea. A matter of fact, it's a great idea. So when you was there watching, I'm probably saying, my God, the struggle is real. And so he's so supportive. He wants to help me. His first time commenting, which means that he really wanted to help me. So he went ahead and he made a comment. Guys, I welcome your suggestions, your recommendations, your interactions. I welcome it, guys. So feel free. Even though you wanna drip me up, yes, even though you guys reprimanded me, as a matter of fact, I love it. I love a good critique. I love constructive criticism. I do, guys, and I welcome them. Me take telling you, yes, man. I listen, but please, guys, please don't come for me about my dwarf banana tree in the 5-gallon bucket. This experiment has come a long way, and I want to continue. Okay. So we're going to plant the rest of trees and then we're going to do a little harvest. So come along with me. Look at these beauties. Only a pity they weren't sweet. I could pick and eat. I'm not going to like you, Marie. I'm not going to taste this. Aren't they beautiful? So pretty. All right, guys, enough fantasizing. I see you over there fantasizing with me now. All right, time to harvest. Okay, so let's get these pak choy. Definitely a cut and come again. Just getting the leaves, of course, so I can always come back. Getting all of them, guys. Everything. So now this is just what is left. And you will see it spring up back like nothing was harvested from before. All right, so let's get some callaloo to go with my pak choy. And nice and tender. Get these ones under there. Stink bug. Nice. Let's get this eggplant over here. Got the stink bug. This not getting any bigger at all. This is just the size of this one. Still a nice little eggplant. All right, let's go get those scotch bonnet peppers. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. Look at these, big and nice. Nice little harvest so far. I wasn't going to get any of the green pepper, but then I remembered I promised someone some peppers, so let me give them a green one as well. Don't it? What do you think? Yeah, man, let me give them a green one as well. Trying to look for the biggest one. Which is the biggest? All right, let me give them this one. There. All right. Let's get some scallions or green onions or spring onions. All right, so I'm basically giving them a trim. Yeah. Next up. So those will grow back in no time. The scallions smell so good. If you know, you know. When you cut the scallions, my, smelling so good. You know, since I'm right here, let me just get a piece of this mint. Just a little piece for tea. Yes, just about enough. Oh, before I could cut it, it actually just break. Soft and nice. Ta-da! Are you surprised, guys? Man, I am so happy to see this beauty in my garden. Oh my, look at it, guys. It is ready for my tummy. You know, I wanted to get it earlier. And I said, no, man, let me just wait. I have to get it with you guys. I was going to get it off camera. And I said, no, man, what kind of thing that girl? Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice. This is what you call the rose among the thorns. I mean, so many hot peppers and my little strawberry shining bright. Such a beautiful harvest. I am so grateful to God for providing me the ability and the resources, the luxury of growing my own food, the luxury of eating what I grow and growing what I eat. My God, this is such a privilege. I thank God that I have this privilege. What would you like from this basket, guys? Comment below and tell me. All right, so let's get to those trees. All right, so these trees over here now that I'm going to plant, I have some corrections to make. Marie from Farming on the Rocks and Kiss Cake, they were the two who corrected me about my introduction of these plants. I made some mistakes and I actually confirmed with Kadian because initially, you know, when I was introducing them, I was like, but them two here look alike. I was wondering if it's two soursop that I got, but Kadian corrected me after Kiss Cake and Marie from Farming on the Rocks made mention. Marie was adamant, Stacy, this is a soursop. And I was saying, yes, I believe it is a soursop. You know, it does look like a soursop. But then because this looked like one too, I was like, but guys, I have never seen lychee tree before. So I guess that's why I wasn't able to recognize it. And so I thought it was the soursop. So anyways, this is a lychee tree. This is a soursop tree. This is my orange tree. This is the avocado tree. And this is the cherry. So guys, remember when I just showed you they had on blossoms? Look, there's cherry. I kid you not. Cherry on there already. And there are so many blossoms.
on it as well. See another one peeking out right here. Yep. So I placed the rosemary in water, as you can see, and I checked it yesterday and I saw that it is actually rooting. So I'm going to get maybe one or two in soil right now, and then I figure out where I'm going to put the rest. Guys, I've been trying this for the longest while and it didn't work, but now is the time. So I'm going to plant out these. Oh, the soursop. I am not going to plant the soursop right now, this moment with you guys, because I need the bucket from the coconut up there to plant the soursop tree. Limited buckets, so I will wait and make use of that one. You see right here, I already prepared the containers. I wasn't going to bore you with showing you again how I get them prepared. I already showed you in my last video. This is the container that I had the broccoli in. The broccoli, they died. I think I didn't move it early enough from the location. It was getting enough sun, so the broccoli died, so I decided to put the cherry tree inside here. And this bucket over here is the one that I had the first dragon fruit in. So I borrowed this bucket and I put the dragon fruit in a smaller container until I get the other buckets and the soil to transplant out all of the dragon fruits. I am definitely going to have to get help to get the barrel right here and to safely shift my pumpkins. See, they're coming up back nicely, guys. I did actually spray them again with the garlic water. So that was twice that they were sprayed, and look at them looking good again. So because not everyone likes to be on camera, I have to respect that. So I may not be able to show you everything, like the entire process with me getting the barrel right here and planting the coconut tree. So I will show you bits and pieces. If not, I'll just show you the finished product. All right, so let's get these babies planted up.
Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a far.
Nice roots. I'm just going to stuck it in here like this. Could use some more soil. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.